Good morning and welcome back to Higgsybear Outdoors, where you join me today in the North Downs Way, and we're heading towards Kit's Coty house. Let's dive in. Just about to arrive at Kit's Coty house. It's turning into the field now. There it is. Kit's Coty house is a chambered long barrow near the village of Aylesford in Kent. Constructed around 4000 BC during the early Neolithic period of British prehistory, today it survives in a ruined state. Kit's Coty can be reached on foot along a track that appears at the junction where the Pilgrim's Way and the Rochester Road meet. The chamber is encircled by iron railings. It lies approximately 2 km north of another of the Medway megaliths, Little Kit's Coty house. The name Kit's Coty allegedly means tomb in the forest. I'm loving the fact that graffiti back in 1865 was with a hammer and chisel. Check this out. So these ancient British monuments were some of the first to be protected by the state. Of course, this one now is looked after by English Heritage. Thank you very much. Okay, so now we're off to go and see its little sister, Little Kit's Coty house, which think of the flat pack version of what you just saw. So lucky to have the North Downs right on my doorstep. Fantastic. I'd highly recommend it. Get out, go and explore. You'll love it. And it's scattered with monuments and places of interest like Kit's Coty house up there. I may actually start doing some of the sections from the North Downs Way. So maybe that's something that I'll do in some later videos. Just approaching Little Kit's Coty now. Little Kit's Coty house, also known as Lower Kit's Coty house and the Countless Stones, is a chambered long barrow located near the village of Aylesford in the southeastern English county of Kent. Constructed around 4000 BC during the early Neolithic period of British prehistory, today it survives in a ruined state. The name is derived from the belief that the chaotic pile of stones from the collapsed tomb were uncountable, and various stories are told about the fate of those who tried. I really enjoyed that. I've lived in Kent for all my life. I've never actually visited those sites, and they're literally just on the doorstep from where I am. I think of that Kit's Coty long barrow as the crypt from Winterfell in Game of Thrones. At some point that would have been sealed up with that big stone encasing the entrance, but it's hard to tell when that would have been done. With a little bit of a detour, we can go and see the White Horse Stone, which is again situated just off of the North Downs Way. So let's go and check that out. Okay, so we're just approaching the White Horse Stone. It's up on our left now. Okay, here it is. The White Horse Stone is a name given to two separate Sarsen megaliths on the slopes of Bluebell Hill near the village of Aylesford in the southeastern English county of Kent. The lower White Horse Stone was destroyed prior to 1834, at which time the surviving upper White Horse Stone took on its name and folkloric associations. Various archaeologists have suggested, although not proven, that the stones were each part of a chambered long barrows constructed in the 4th millennium BC. Well, there we go. I really enjoyed that. I hope you did too. We even managed to get a little bit of Brucey bonus content in there with the White Horse Stone. The White Horse obviously being the symbol of Kent, the greatest and the finest county in all of the land. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. It would mean a lot to me. It motivates me to get out and do more. Anyway, take care of yourself and I'll see you soon.